Well, welcome to the channel. GoPro's dead. I'm kind of charging it. We found a few little pieces so far, saddle and some cords and whatnot. We do have something here. Grab it and I'll get the GoPro back on charge. Still going through with the route. I'm not being beat that easy. Not doing it. Not doing it. All right, well, stay tuned. We have everything stacked up. We got this. I have already looked at it. It's clean but dirty. Oh. Heavy booger. Camo. Nope. You stay. Y'all get the concept. We're going right here, facing this way. The GoPro is gonna die on me. All right, well, GoPro situation still is just that, the GoPro situation. It's actually an aluminum chair. Refrigerator's on there. It was a fight, y'all can imagine. Wasn't as, we are kind of on there. It's kind of shifting back and forth. I've already ruined another strap, go me. But it's there. You got to cut this, got to do that. Normal stuff. Giant air filter. Have some car parts and stuff. So we look at these. Yep. Fits good. Piece of metal. All right. Looks heavy. That looks heavy. It looks heavy. Oh, it's heavy. All right. You go up over there. Definitely heavy. Watch your ears. Gotta move quick because, well, time is not a friend. A lot of stuff. Some cleanup. Throw that back there. Saw blade. Looks like about it. Turn this thing off. Christmas tree. Still finding them. Still good weight. Nice addition. Oh, about missed you, didn't I? Psych. Just a quick fan stop, you know. How you doing, fan? Nice to meet you, fan. You going back here, right, fan? Nothing in the boxes. Nothing in the boxes. All right. We're at another stop. This time it is a blower suitcase. I don't know. It's going back here. Vroom, vroom. Take a look around. Anything in the suitcase? No, it's empty. All right, well, got a steel blower doohickey. We got some little nuggets. See, you hear some water. More water. Nuggets. Come here, nuggets. Mine, mine, mine. Sound like the seagulls. Mine. Hoping the GoPro has enough charge. I haven't even really looked at it lately. So, kind of stunk because I wasn't able to get the first few spots, but it's definitely my fault. Definitely my fault. Probably going to try to get it organized whenever we get it organized. Plans. GoPro still acting kind of funny, but we got some stuff. Take the light bulbs out. We don't need those where we're going, because these need to come off where we're going. Same difference. We'll cut the cords in a little bit and keep it rolling. Awesome. Clean. The wind is definitely picking up. It's like blows here and blows there and does wind things. Grab the chair. I don't know if I should grab this or not. Sure, we'll grab it. Oh no, you stay like that. We go this away. Fits. These are little metal pieces. Those can go. Welcome. Didn't stay. All right, well, keep this going. I'm glad we didn't call it. You know, just get out here and do the run. Pretty sure I've seen some on the back side of this pile. Take a look at it. Yep. Oh, TV. Somebody's already cut the cord. Oh, that's the heavy ones too. I just want this. Give it to me. Fan. Camo. That's really light. I wonder if it's aluminum. When I tell you it's light, it's... yeah, that's aluminum. Okay. Piece of aluminum. Take those. See a sink, I think it's of the cast iron variety, so we'll take the whole thing. Yep. Don't need the sheetrock. It is metal, yeah? Losing my mind here. Losing my mind. Go back here to be cleaned up. And then put it where the good stuff goes and the non. Sweet. We take it all, right? We take it all. Oh. Ooh. Put it over here with the fan. Move aside, chair. Looks like 2 units, 2 or 3 units. I heard the pieces sell pretty good. We'll have to do a little work here, but I'm pretty sure I see frames down there. We'll have to move some stuff, but we'll look. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh no. It's a hospital bed. Those are heavy, aren't they? Come on. Oh no, it should be all right. Snatch it out of there. Come on out. Yep, it's heavy though. Come on. Oh no. Ouch. Needs to go over there. All right, well, let's get it over there. I don't know if I think it's too heavy for me to throw. Stand it up. Now it's folding this way. What are you doing? Oh, this is gonna get my fingers really good, isn't it, y'all? All right, I'm gonna do the gate. I don't need to crush my fingers. I lost a magnet. Uh-oh, that's not bueno. Oh. Yep, that's heavy. That's a chunk and a half, y'all. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stay. I gotta fix this. Yeah, I might have to right here it. We'll get there. I'm gonna go clean up my mess. I like it was? Sure. Metal, metal, microwave, metal. We did somewhat organize the trailer. We were just in a... Oh no, this isn't fully taken apart, is it? Nope. all right now. See what we can do here. Brake. Come on, you can do it. Back and forth. First one, second one. All right, we did somewhat organize the truck and trailer. Got that over there just in case we found some more stuff today. All right, your turn. Check. And all these and all those big handfuls. I got all the cords cut too. That's something to mention. You're not gonna be nice neither, are you? Last but not least, be the microwave. Easy peasy. Gotta clean it up. We'll get there. Oh, we stopped. It's not scrap metal. Fishing pole. It's got an ugly stick on it. I don't know. I don't fish as much as I used to. Would really like to get back into it, so maybe this is the introductory to that. Right, another stop. This time it's a tailgate off of Silverado. Well, what does it say? Silver, missing the DO. Definitely seen better days, but get a new life with the scraps. Good day. Just think, we actually wasn't actually in a good spot. Had the GoPro issues. My fault. What else happened? Strap, still my fault. Lost a magnet, don't know how that happened. Didn't grab no drinks today. We were really being fought against, but we managed. This is our last stop for today, so I plan on going to the scrap yard, and if tomorrow. We do have that winter storm moving in, so yeah, that's not going to be ideal for us. But 2 to 4 inches or something. It's like 30, I don't know, 33 right now. But anyway, that's the load for today, and yeah, pretty good. Well, that includes the route for today. I'm glad we stuck to it. The GoPro was dead. My fault 1000%, as you've seen in the last skit. The no drinks, my fault. It's all been one of those days to where we had a million things fighting against us, and even the cold. It's truck says 36. I think it's like negative 36. It's just cold. We don't do too well with the cold temperatures here. Next few days we do have winter weather, 2 to 4 inches or something along them lines of snow. I think the last time we had a snowstorm was like 2017. Don't quote me, I'm not a weatherman. But at any rate, that's the load for today. I do hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot of work. We fought with the bed. The refrigerator was even a bigger fight. But we got it on here. We got it loaded. We got it sorted. We had to organize it though, just in case we found a washer, dryer, stove, hot water heater, or anything else big. But I think it's sitting in between 400 and 600 pounds. And but yeah, I had fun today. Got a good workout. I feel it in the top parts, you know. But I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Goodbye. How are you today? Well, we 24 degrees today? Yeah, it's cold out here today, guys. Sorry, welcome back. We're at the yard, if y'all can't tell. What we're gonna try to do is get this stuff pulled off and get her over with. I got majority of the stuff cleaned up. It's 29 and still slush out here. The majority of the stuff got cleaned up. Still got to figure out what we're doing with the Dyson, but I didn't get the microwave. I know I was forgetting something. I did not get the microwave. Oops. But no, it's the storm's supposed to come in this evening, so that's like 3 days of, I don't know, below freezing weather for the next few days. Yeah, I don't want all this to fall out. Just in too nice of a neat package. Well, I think that's about it, isn't it? Little pieces up here, but yeah, let's see what this weighed and paid, y'all. Well, I'm sitting out here in 30-degree weather, and really, it is a really pretty day. If the wind wasn't blowing, it wouldn't be bad out here. But anyway, cleanest trailer, we definitely did things. The weight was more than I thought. I was estimating it probably being around 5 to 7, 8 was like not even a thing. But we got 800 pounds at 8 cents a pound. That's $64 yesterday we went out and played with. There's the cash. Got unloaded quick. We definitely for a day that I kind of, it was cold, it was windy. The GoPro battery situation, definitely my fault, but still was a thing. Didn't grab anything to drink for the day. It was just really piling up to be one of those days to, like, maybe it's just not a bad day just to enjoy some TV. But we did not do that. We progressed, and we for sure had a good day. But at any rate, don't know the plans for this week. We're gonna still try to get out there and play around in the snow a little bit. I don't know if the trailer is an option for that, but I don't think I've ever towed anything in the snow, or ice, or any of those conditions. Probably just stay at home. It's gonna be cold, it's gonna be white. 2 to 4 inches is projected. How much of that will we see? It's Alabama, it's hard to say. It may be 60 tomorrow. But at any rate, I do hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and I will for sure see you on the next one. Goodbye.